Listen up, Commanders. We've got a serious level of infestation here, and we need to burn it out stat. These monsters are dangerous at night, but they burn out during the day. That's when we'll torch the infested structures.
What's going on? SCV ready. SCV ready. Huh? Yeah, whatever. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Big job, huh? SCV ready. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Will do. Bad news. SCV ready. Move it. SCV ready. Go ahead. Big job. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Night's almost here. I'd start getting ready to deal with the infested if I were you.
What's going on? Sure thing. SCV ready. Over. SCV ready.
The sun is down. Defend against the infested until it rises again.
In the rear with the gear. Will do. Big job, huh? Yep, SCV ready.
The Marines named these ones kaboomers. The acid spit is bad enough, but just wait until they explode.
SCV ready. I'm going. In the rear with the gear. Move it.
Our allies' base is under attack. Not enough minerals.
Sending Banshees now.
Add-on complete. Hyperion ready for deployment.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Mayday! Mayday!
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready.
Mayday! Mayday! I like the hustle, but
Insufficient.
I'd advise against it, Commanders. It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
Double the infestation,
Our allies
double
are
the
in
power,
possession.
yes?
SCV ready.
Count on me. Raiders
Your forces are under attack. Research complete. Your forces are under attack.
Sure you want to do that at night, Commanders? The infested will be here any minute. The night's almost over. We'll be safe to move out again in the daytime.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Bad news? I can't build here. Yeah, whatever.
Time to get to work. We have to burn away enough of the infestation before the day ends. Start with the structures I've marked.
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Who called in the fleet? Many of my infested have fallen.
SCV ready.
Banshee airstrike ready.
I'm sending an airstrike now.
Call the ball. Done and done.
Bad news? Uh-huh.
Our allies are being attacked.
Yep. We hear you. Sure thing. I can't build here. Yeah, whatever. Yo.
We're making good progress, but there's still a lot of infestation to go.
Upgrade complete.
Who called in the fleet?
Sending you the coordinates for more structures. Don't go out too far. There isn't much time left in the day. Another night, another fight. Keep them out of our base. Don't get too bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack. Insufficient Vespene gas. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack.
Don't get too bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
Base. Our
It looks like they're
allies
trying to
are
tear
being
down a
attacked.
barricade. The detecting some spotters. They can fly, so you better keep an eye on them.
Upgrade complete.
What is it?
Our
Our
allies'
opponent
base
is
is under
using
attack.
cloaked units. We will need detection.
Banshee airstrike ready for deployment.
In the
Let
rear.
us see what additional
Our
infestation can
allies
do.
are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack.
Butter my biscuit.
Who called in the fleet?
Our allies are being attacked. Base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Take it slow.
That's the negatory. It's blocked.
Base is under attack.
Yeah.
Who called in the fleet? Oh,
Our allies' base is
Won't be
under
long
attack.
now. We just have to survive until dawn.
really? Take it slow.
SCV.
Our allies' base is under attack.
In the rear.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Gotcha. SCV ready.
Let's get to work, commanders. We have to burn enough of the infestation today so that we don't fall behind.
Go ahead. Bad news. In the rear with the gear.
It's a trap.
SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Course laid in. Yes,
SCV ready.
at least my army has prior experience with dying.
I've got another sector with structures on my scanners.
Think I'll call down the Hyperion. What's the plan? Sounds like a plan.
I have been working on something. Enjoy.
Our allies are being attacked.
Sounds like a plan.
Who called in the
Count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
Our allies are being attacked.
It's almost nighttime. Be ready for the infested.
Time to man up.
Detecting more structures at this location.
Acknowledged.
Our allies are being attacked.
Who called in the fleet?
Yeah, whatever.
Lot of dead out there. Make sure that we don't join them. a virophage out there, Commanders. Kill it if you can, but you'll have to do it at night. That virophage will burrow once the sun is up. It may take you more than one night to kill it.
Base is under attack.
Well,
Upgrade complete.
who called in the fleet?
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is under attack.
Force your will. Take it slow.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Our allies' base is under attack.
You just saved me a lot of trouble, Commanders. I was gonna send a crew to exterminate that thing after this mission.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies...
I'm calling down an airstrike.
Holla back.
Who called in the fleet? Take it slow.
Our
Like
allies'
the
base
hustle,
is under
but
attack.
I'd advise against it, Commanders. It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
It
Insufficient
seems my
Vespine gas.
structure requires more infestation.
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is
Sure you want to do that at night, Commanders? The infested will be here any minute. Looks like Amon wants a piece of us too. Get those defenses in place. A stank? Those things are resistant to sunlight. We have to be the ones to kill it. We've got a barricade taking some damage here. Don't give up, Commanders. This nightmare is about to end.
our allies' base is under attack.
I'm on it.
Hyperion call down. Insufficient Vespine gas.
It's a
You sure you want to do that at night, Commanders? The infested will be here any minute. About half of the infestation has been cleared out. Don't give up.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Upgrade complete.
Whatever that means. I'm on it.
Looks like we can find additional structures here.
Who called in the fleet?
We're not done yet, Commanders. Here's some more structures to burn out. We've burned out almost all of the infestation. Let's finish the job.
Who called in the fleet?
running out. Don't forget that our base will need to be defended at night.
Course laid in.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Sit tight, commanders. This night's just getting started.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Who called in
It
the
seems my
Our
structure
allies are
requires...
being
Don't get too
attacked.
bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
Complete.
Oh, really? Patching you through.
Our allies' base are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack.
Who called in the fleet?
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Like the hustle. But I'd advise against it, commanders. It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
Oh, really? Engage.
Calling down the Hyperion.
That Stang is strong enough to withstand sunlight. We have to kill it ourselves.
Talk to me.
It's a trap.
You sure you want to do that at night, commanders? The infested will be here any minute.
Let us see what
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies' base is
I was given a hero's burial. Now I am the one who buries the dead.